While observing that wars across the globe never ended with guns and bombs but through talks on the table, historian Professor Narim Joykumar has maintained that the promise of the central government that there will be no separate administration in Manipur cannot be taken at face value. He also said the current struggle is for integrity, true history and future generation. He was speaking as a resource person at the one-day convention on child and women in present conflict in Manipur, jointly organized by Poirai Leimarol 𝐒𝐒𝐿𝐼𝐍𝐈 Apunba Manipur and All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association at Iboyama Sumang Lasanglen today. Alleging that India never took a stance on any vital issue of Manipur, Professor Narim Joykumar stated that Manipur are well aware of the pattern of physical movement of Union Home Minister Amit Shah during his visit to the state in connection with the current crisis. He further maintained that Meitei is not a community which will perish because of war. It must be remembered that Meitei even fought tirelessly against the British, which is said to be the empire on which the sun never sets, Joykumar added.
कोई लान कोई दी कोई मैंने कोई लान कोई दी खेलना तो यहाँ वाली लान से मखन मखन की लान फुलाई पाइप की लान कोक की लान धर्म की लान अरे आपको की जाति ये की कन्नड़ की लान से करता कोई अरे ना मसीह पूरे मक्के ना तो मसीह ना इमारत से ना आंटी के में तो समझो ना जो चिंगो है भी आपको ये वॉइस ऐसा करते हैं सी ऐसे लेवल में सवाई करते नहीं है सवाई करते हुए अरे बताऊं ज़्यादा सब पता है बताऊं ज़्यादा काले लगे बस खाना देते कोई नहीं अरे ना we have to survive. Aku hingga dah beri. Kalau kita buat, aku ini tunggu dah kita beri gas ni. Tunggu dah kita beri saya susu kita beri hingga dia ni. Nasi hero ekor ni. Tunggu dah kita beri saya susu kita beri susu kita beri. Kau ini nanti dia kita kan. Nanti yang dia kita beri apa? Masih ni nanti si dia saya kita ni. Apa ini? Maya kepada lawan nanti. Nanti kita nak. Nanti lawan kita nak. Hari ni kita saya. Masih ni kacau siapa ni? Asyik apa hari ni kita kaya hari ni saya. Masih imagination section view and they put another section around the
Speaking at the convention, Assistant Professor of DM University, Dr. Noni Aramba mentioned that women of Manipur had never had a peaceful sleep from the time Manipur merged with India. Post to Unupi lands of 1904 and 1939, there has been wars every day. Dr. Noni questioned the intent of Indian government in signing the Sioux agreement with Kuki militants, who have never fired a bullet to save Manipur. Kukis have never spoken about the integrity of Manipur till that. They have been engaged in distorting history of Manipur. The state government has not shown its full potential in resolving the crisis, even after loss of so many lives, added Dr. Noni. She also appealed to all the women of Manipur who have struggled for so many years to take a right stand in the next election. If wrong steps are taken again, the struggle will continue, opined Dr. Noni.
Masih asuk mana jumlah macam masih macam ni mikir lah pada, aku ni mikir ni tak sen lagi apa mau dah, cakap aku masih tuna ba, sak pada ngau ba, aku mana kali masih macam tugas ada, macam tanah gelap sini kaya ba, ibu masih tahan bidan mau macam masih kita nak buat. Manipur masih aku pulih bahasa, masih family macam magai Manipur ke mangan lagi, pun Manipur ke mangan lagi, masih aku ni fikir lagi sini. Okey cendiri. Oi the number fabrication toba itihas na ne thok na bhanaba mi gi jati bu hunba ai masi makoi mana ko na be adu lamdam masi thunda mine ba pura sago nari ba Manipur di wakal lo bi madu ko wakal lo chen ni hai bise mane ni mi al masi khang batai hai bise.
The convention, which was conducted in two sessions, saw social scientists Dr. Dhanabir Lashram and Vice Chancellor of DM University, Dr. N. Rasmohan as moderators, President of Poirai Leimarol 𝐒𝐒𝐿𝐼𝐍𝐈 Apunba Manipur 𝐿 and President of All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association Y. Kunjarani attended the inaugural of the convention as presiding members. Also speaking at the event, General Secretary of Amawoba Ketrimayum Suzata reminded that the Prime Minister hasn't mentioned one word about the balance. She maintained that the issues facing the state of Manipur can all be handled successfully. Difficulties faced by women and children in the current crisis should be resolved. Where the government remains the mute spectators to the sufferings of more than 50,000 people, it cannot be termed as a government for the people and of the people, she said.